Welcome to a land of quiet wonder, shaped by time, where untamed landscapes stretch beyond the horizon, and ancient waterfalls plunge into emerald pools carved by the earth. Rivers, pure and timeless, wind through shadowed valleys, and lush, endless forests, feeding a land rich in beauty and story. This is Bosnia and Herzegovina, and then Mostar, a city of stone and soul, where east meets west, where cultures merge and history whispers its iconic bridge. Stari Most rises above the Neretva River, surrounded by Ottoman grace and Mediterranean charm, untouched by mass tourism. A hidden gem of Europe. History lives here. Nature thrives, unspoiled and free. Let the silence guide you. Take in the raw beauty of this land. From above, where cultures meet and different beliefs live side by side, not divided, but in harmony. We'll return with more from this marvelous destination. Until then, enjoy the view.